Flash flood warning. Well, that's loud. Couldn't capture the previous EASs because I was with my girlfriend. Alright, flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for Lee County in eastern Arkansas, Phillips County in eastern Arkansas, western Yalobusha County in northwestern Mississippi, Whitman County in northwestern Mississippi, Coahoma County in northwestern Mississippi, Tallahatchie County in northwestern Mississippi, Panola County in northwestern Mississippi, southwestern Tunica County in northwestern Mississippi, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar estimates 1 to 2 inches of rain has occurred over the past 2 hours. Showers and thunderstorms will produce an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next 4 hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Clarksdale, Batesville, Marianna, Charleston, Marvell, Elaine, George Payne State Park, St. Francis National Park, White River National Wildlife Refuge, West Helena, Tutler, Marks, Lambert, Jonestown, Friars Point, Crowder, Webb, Sledge, and Sumner. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Lee, and Phillips, and the following counties in Mississippi, Coahoma, Panola, Whitman, Tallahatchie, Tunica, and Yalobusha. The flood warning continues for the...
Again, guys, I couldn't capture the previous ones because I was with my girlfriend, obviously. So, anyways, guys, I gotta show you something here. My EAS season is starting very soon here, and you guys gotta see this here. No organized severe weather is expected, obviously, but look at the day 4 to 8 convective outlook. This is day 4. We are included in a 15% chance. So let's look at the county borders. So that is Tazewell County. See, most of the counties included, see. Which even Peoria's, a bit of Peoria's in there, but I believe we're supposed to end up with either a slight or a marginal risk, which is pretty exciting because I can actually record EASs here. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching.